Sarah, thank you so much. We're joined now by the U.S. Department of Transportation Director of Strategic Initiatives, Shaz Umer, to talk more about this project. The hope, thank you for being here, the hope is to get these sensors on more bridges through the second phase of this grant.
Amanda, thank you for having me on tonight. I'm excited to talk more about this amazing program that we have going on here in West Virginia.
It's our pleasure to have you. So this is called the Smart Strengthening Mobility and Revolutionizing Transportation. You're saying that this is going to save me if I'm a mom or a dad or just anyone who wants to get somewhere. Eventually, it could save us time and keep us all safer.
Yeah, exactly. And you know, at the U.S. Department of Transportation, our priorities are crystal clear. Right? Safety first, innovation always.
Yes.
Right. And I come to work every single day with that in mind, keeping innovation, how we can work for the American people, and always. And this SMART grant and what it's doing is really impacting the 14,000 daily drivers every single day in Huntington on that bridge.
And so we think about this, just to put it in layman's terms, it's almost like a smartwatch for the bridge.
That's exactly right, okay. A smartwatch. And we all have smartwatches, right? We all wear it, and this is a watch on a bridge monitoring the health of that bridge and reporting continuously to West Virginia DOT.
So people like to know, though, that somebody with eyes and hands is going to get down there and going to do the work and do the real nitty-gritty. This is not going to replace the bridge inspection system that's already a part of our nation's fabric because of the tragedy that happened in our region.
And Amanda, that's exactly why we have that technology there. We will still have inspectors on the bridge, but this will just provide even more continuous inspection, remote inspection, creating those jobs remotely while having people still on the bridge. But see, bridges require a 2-year inspection, once every 2 years. Now we have a device that's continuously monitoring for these type of health inspections, which is why we need this.
If there's like a spot that perhaps like maybe is okay when the bridge inspectors are there, this will give you guys a chance to key in on it over time without someone having to physically go to the bridge.
Yeah, this will be a key aspect for West Virginia DOT, and you know, as one of their partners at the U.S. DOT, that's what we're hoping to achieve from this.
Okay, so let's talk about your partnership. Marshall University was on the ground with you guys today as you worked. You had some folks there. What will it mean for students in the area as well?
Yes, Marshall University Professor Zatar was there, someone who's a veteran of 30 years from the university working on this type of issue. Working with students is going to be important. They were working on this bridge with HNTB, and they're going to gather that data and use that data in their research, and that will lead them into real jobs, public sector jobs, leaving their universities right there in Huntington. That's exactly what we want to see.
21% of bridges in West Virginia are structurally deficient. That number is daunting when you think about the lack of funding. We have this bridge in Charleston, downtown Charleston. It's horrendous to drive over. How can this project help? Because people want that bridge fixed now and other bridges fixed right now. How's this going to help?
Amanda, this was a stage 1 SMART grant. We gave $800,000 to West Virginia DOT. The exciting part is now they've qualified for stage 2. At stage 2, they can qualify for up to a $15 million grant, which we're excited to have that as announced for West Virginia and to see what they'll do if they, for being eligible for that to be able to apply for that award.
Yeah, and all eyes on West Virginia when it comes to this one, so we'll see how it goes. All right, well, we want to tag along when you guys go to put those sensors other places when that other grant gets approved.
Well,
I'll plan that out later. Thank you so much. U.S. Department of Transportation Director of Strategic Initiatives, Shaz Umer, thank you so much for being here. We certainly appreciate it.
Thank you, Amanda, for having me on today.
You're welcome. We'll get you a check on your forecast in just a second.